Josh from OnPoint Mobile Detailing. I'm going to go through and show you a little video on how to remove some minor pitting and rust from chrome. This is a 2005 Harley-Davidson Ultra Classic. As you can see right here, it was neglected and he's got some rust and pitting on his chrome. What I like to do is use a Meguiar's Mirror Glaze Medium Cut Cleaner. It's got a little bit of aggregate in it. I know a lot of guys like to use steel wool. I prefer to use a clean Scotch-Brite dish sponge, the rough side. And I simply put a little bit of the mirror glaze on a rag and just spread it out evenly on the chrome. You don't have to rub, just spread it evenly. And then I take the Scotch-Brite sponge, again, the rough side, and I just scrub it out using, I don't know, medium pressure, back and forth. And then my advice is don't use cheap microfiber towels. I would get decent ones, professional grade ones. This one actually came from Meguiar's. And then simply buff it out, buff it off. And it's really that simple. This is OnPoint Detailing from the Houston, Texas area. Thank you for watching.